In this video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Google Merchant Center account. So if you're tired of your Google Merchant Center and you want to delete it already since you already quit your business, what you can do is you can head over to merchants.google.com. From in there, make sure to click on this cog or gear icon. And then from in there, you should be able to see this. Click on this general account options. Once you have clicked on that, you should be able to see in here some options as well as some settings. Head over and scroll down to the very bottom, and in here you can see the option to close your Merchant Center account. So do take note that you will immediately lose all access to this Merchant Center account and your products will stop appearing across Google within 48 hours. Head over and click onto this button right here, and then just click onto this checkbox and click onto this Close Merchant Center account in order to do this. So that's how you actually remove Google Merchant Center account. Hope we helped.